Hi, I'm Jesse with Jon Wayne Service Company. Today we're going to be performing a HydroKleen on a mini split. Let's go check it out. First thing we're going to do is unload our equipment and get set up for our HydroKleen. Now that we have all our equipment in, it's time to take apart our mini split. As you can see on the top part, we've got our coil that's got some dirt on it, and on the bottom side you can see where our blower's got some debris stuck on it. So everything that goes through here is the air that you breathe in and day out as the system runs. That's why it's important to make sure that these are maintained and cleaned on a regular basis. So we have this bag, and the purpose of this bag is to catch any excess water that might be coming down as we clean the mini split, and it makes it for a lot easier cleanup when it's all said and done. Right here we're going to spray down our coil, spray down with our cleaner, and then once we've hit our coil, we want to get underneath and get our blower. Alrighty, now time to start cleaning. As you can see, the reclaimed water from the mini split is very, very dirty. So what we're going to do now is we're going to apply some of this cleaner to the outdoor portion of the mini split, and we're going to apply it to the surface and also the back side of the coil. Well, that's it for today. If you think your system could benefit from a HydroKleen, give us a call or visit us at jonwayne.com.